Okay, so I hope you can see my screen now. So in the previous class, we were discussing about this problem, that is a continuous beam, and we are supposed to solve it using Canis method. So as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 spans. Okay, and the supports and the end conditions are like this. Okay, so let's solve ahead. So we have calculated the fixed end moments. Okay, MFAB, MFBA, MFBC, MFCB, MFCD, MF DC, MFDE, MFED also we have calculated. Apart from that, we have also calculated the distribution factors and rotation factors. So now what we have to do, we have to put the values here. Okay, so let us take with this value. So this will be MFBA plus, so what we will keep here, who can say this value? So this is MFBA plus MFBC, right? Am I correct? So what is MFBA? Please tell me the BA total value. What will be this value? Guys, please respond. Harshvardhan, your voice is not clear.
9 sir.
9 kilonewton. 9 tons.
Yes. 9 tons.
Okay. The total is no MFBA is 9 and MFBC is minus 8. Okay. So 9 minus 8, it is how much? 1. Okay. So write this one. This is 9 plus minus 8. So that becomes 1 ton meter. Okay. Now what will be this one? So it will be MFCB plus MFCD. Okay, so MFCB is 4 plus MFCD is minus 16. Okay, so 4 minus MFCD, we have already determined that one. It is 4 minus 16, so that becomes minus 12 ton meter. Okay, so similarly, what will be the value here? So this will be MFCD plus MFDE. Okay, so MFCD is, how much is MFCD? It is 16, then MFDE is minus 32. Okay, so it becomes minus 16 ton meter. Am I correct? Okay, so now I'm zooming it out a little bit. Okay, so now here what we will write? Here we will write the U value, or we call it the, what is that value? Rotation factor value. Okay, so the rotation factor for BA and BC, this one is minus 0. How much we calculated? Minus 0.25 minus 0.25. So this is minus 0.25. This is again minus 0.25. Then minus 0.235. This is minus 0.235, and this is minus 0.265. 265. Please correct this one. So it is minus 0.265. Okay. Then the other one is again same minus. This is minus 0.265 here also. So it is minus 0.265, and this one is minus 0.235. Okay, so these values we have written. So now, so as you can see, in order to find out m dash ba, we have to put all these values. Okay, so the first one is now in cycle 1, let's say this value m bar ba we need to find out. Okay, so I'm writing here cycle 1. Cycle 1. So I'm putting the value cycle 1 here. Okay, so m bar ba equals to, what is m bar ba? It will be 1, this 1 ton. Then what is the next value? Here you can see in the previous problem we have did like that. So it is, no, this is for end moments. This one, okay, this I have removed actually. Okay, so as you can see that one, so it will be u into everything. So this will be minus 0.25 into this 1 plus this one and this one. So everything is now 0. No initial value is there, so we can put 0. So it is minus 0.25. Okay, so now this is minus 0.25. So similarly, m bar ab, sorry, this is ab, this is m bar ba, this is m bar bc. So m bar bc will be again minus, same, minus 0.25 into 1 plus 0 plus 0. So this also becomes minus 0.25. So similarly, m bar cb equals to how much? Equals to this one minus 0.235. Then m bar bc is minus this value, first minus 12 plus this is minus 0.25. So minus 0.25, then this value is 0. So please calculate this value. Tell me the value. How much will be this one?
2.8787.
2.8787. So this is 2.8787. Okay. So m bar cd equals to m bar cd equals to this one. Okay. M bar cd equals to minus 0. Sorry, minus 0.265. This is 265, not 205. Minus 0.265 into minus 12 plus 0. Sorry, this is again minus 0.25 plus 0. So how much is m bar cd? Please calculate.
3.2462.
3.2462. Okay, so similarly I am erasing these ones. Okay, so next one is m bar cd. M bar, sorry, not cd, dc. M bar dc equals to, how much is m bar dc? M bar dc equals to minus 16 minus sorry, some this u. So m bar dc equals to minus 0.265 minus 0.265 into minus 16, then plus 3.2462 plus this one is 0. So please calculate how much is m bar dc.
3.3797.
3.3797. So now what will be this one? M bar DE. M bar DE equals to minus 0.235 into minus 16. Sorry, this pen is not working properly. Minus 16, then plus 3.2462 plus 0. So please tell me the value. How much will be this one? M bar DE.
2.9971. 9971, sir.
2.9971. Okay. So let us, okay, 2.99, okay. So now our cycle 1 is complete. Okay. So next we need to go to cycle 2. Okay. So let's go to cycle 2. Okay. So here it is cycle 2. So in cycle 2 we have, this is again this again it is 0. Okay, so m bar ba equals to how much? M bar ba equals to 1. Okay, m bar ba equals to 1, and or it is minus 0.25 minus 0.25 into this is 1, then plus this is 0, then this is 2.8787 plus 2.8787. So please calculate how much is m bar ba now. M bar ba equals to
Minus 0.9696.
9696. So it is minus 0.9696. Okay. Next one. Next one is m bar bc. M bar bc equals to, so m bar bc equals to same minus 0.25 into 1 plus 0 plus 2.8787. Okay, so now it is, what is the value m bar bc? So minus 0.25, same value will come, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this is again minus 0.9696. So I'm erasing this part because I'm unable to write. Right here. I'll just go up a bit. Okay. Next one is uh, m bar cb. M bar cb equals to minus 0.235 into minus 12, then minus 0.9696, then this is plus 3.3797. Okay, so please tell me what is the final value for this one?
2.2536.
2.2536.
36.
2.2536. Okay. Next one. So next one is this one. So m bar CD equals to minus 0.265 into minus 12, then minus 0.9696 plus 3.3797. So please calculate how much it is coming.
2.5413.
2.5413. Okay, 2.5413. So now what is this value? So m bar DC equals to minus 0.265 into minus 16. Then it is, this value is plus 2.5413 and this value is 0. Okay, this is 0. So please tell me how much is this one?
3.5665.
3.5665. 3.5665. Okay, now m bar DE equals to minus 0.235 into minus 16 plus 2.5413 plus 0. So please tell me how much is that value?
3.1627.
Equals to 3.1627. So this is 3.1627. So now I'm erasing this one. So our second cycle is complete, but still there are some values which are not equal to the previous value. So we will go for cycle 3. Okay, so the cycle 3 is this one, cycle 3. Okay, so in cycle 3 again we need to find out this one. So it is m bar BA equals to, how much is m bar BA? M bar BA is equals to minus 0.25 into 1, then plus this is 0 and plus 2.2536. So please calculate how much is m bar BA.
Minus 0.8134.
Minus 0.8134. So similarly this one will be minus 0.8134. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one is m bar CB. M bar CB. So m bar CB equals to minus 0.235 into minus 12, then minus 0.8134, then m bar DC is plus 3.565. Okay, so tell me how much will be this one?
2.1730.
2.1730. 2.1730. Okay, so m bar CD equals to minus 0.265. This is 265 into minus 12 minus 0.8134 plus 3.5665. So how much are those values? Please tell.
2.4504.
Plus 2.4504. This is 2.4504. Okay, so I'm erasing this part. Okay, so next one is m bar DC. M bar DC equals to minus 0.265 into minus 16, then plus 2.4504, then plus 0. So how much is that value? I'm removing this plus 0, no issue. So please tell me how much is that value? It is
3.506.
3.5.
5906.
3.5906. Okay. Next one is m bar DE. So m bar DE equals to minus 0.235 into minus 16 plus 2.4504. So please calculate how much is m bar DE.
3.1841.
3.1847. 3.1847. Okay. So now still some values are not matching. So we'll go for another iteration. Okay, another iteration, or you may call another cycle as you like. So let's say cycle 4. Okay, so this is now cycle 4. Okay, so in cycle 4 again, m bar BA equals to 0.25 minus 0.25 into 1, then into 1, then plus 0, then m bar CD is plus 2.1730. So please calculate how much is this one.
Minus 0.7932.
Minus 0.7932. Minus 0.7932. Similarly, minus 0.7932. Okay, so m bar CB, m bar CB equals to minus 0.235 into minus 12, then minus 0.7932, then this is plus 3.5906. How much is this value?
2.1626.
2.1622. 2.16, so it is 2.1622. Now next one is m bar CD. M bar CD equals to minus 0.265 into minus 12, then minus 0.7932, then plus 3.5906. So how much is this one?
2.4386.
2.4386. 86, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one, m bar DC. M bar DC equals to minus 0.265 into 3 into minus 16 minus 16 plus plus 2.4386, then plus 0. So how much is M bar DC?
$3.5937.
3.5937.
37.
3.5937. Okay, M bar, what is M bar? DE, M bar DE, M bar DE equals to minus 0.235 into minus 16 plus 2.4386 plus 0. So how much is this one?
3.1869.
3.186. 3 not here.
3.1869.
3.1869. Okay, so now here you can see how much is M bar BA. Any difference is there in M bar BA? Any difference is there? Difference are there, right? With here,
Sir,
here any difference? Very less. Here even very less. Here even very less. Here also the difference is very less. But here among these two, some 0.1 to 2 difference is there. So either what we can do, we can stop here and we can find out the final bending moments. Okay, or let's go for another cycle, fifth cycle, and let us see if any more less value is there or not. Okay, let's say cycle 5. Okay, so in cycle 5, so let us say this is cycle 5. So again M bar BA equals to minus 0.25 into 1 into 1, then plus 0, then plus 2.1622. How much is this one?
minus 0.7906.
Minus 0.7906. So this is minus 0.7906. Okay, so M bar CB, M bar CB equals to minus 0.235 into minus 12 into minus 12 minus 0.7906, then this is plus 3.5937. 3.5937. So please calculate how much is this one. Here there is no bracket.
2.1612.
2.1612. This is 2.1612. So next one, M bar CD equals to minus 0.265 into minus 12 minus 0.7906, then plus 3.5937. So how much is this value?
2.4371.
2.4371. So similarly, M bar DC equals to 0.265 minus 0.265 into minus 16, then plus 3.5937. Sorry, not 3.5937. It is 2.43, 2.4371 and plus 0. So plus 0 I am not writing. So please tell me this value.
3.5941.
3.5941. This is 3.5941. Last value, m bar DE. So m bar DE equals to minus 0.235 into minus 16 into minus 16, then plus 2.4371 and plus 0. So equals to how much?
3.1872.
3.1872. 3.1872. So now you can see that almost there is very less difference in between cycle 4 and cycle 5. So we can stop it here, and we can now what we can calculate. Who can tell?
Final.
Final moments. Okay, so the next step, this is what is the step number? Which step? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Which step is it? Is this one? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 is final end moments. Okay. So for final end moments, what we need to do? How we can calculate? So MAB equals to MFAB plus 2 into M dash AB plus M dash BA. How much is MFAB? MFAB equals to MFAB equals to 0, right? Or how much is MFAB? No, not 0. How much is MFAB? 9 minus 9. Am I correct? How much is MFAB? Who can tell? Or nobody wrote?
Minus 6.
Minus 6 or 9? You please check. Minus 6. Sorry. This how come it is plus 9? MFBA you told 9. How? Who told MFBA equals to 9? Because MFBA we have found out it as 6, right? Trusting you guys is, see, this is 6 ton meter, and how, see, this entire thing is now wrong. This entire whatever we have calculated, this 11111, this is, I guess, wrong. MFBA.
Sir,
Yes.
MFBA 9 only, sir. Because we had this last A is hinge, no, sir. Hinge support. We have to
Yes.
balance it to 0, sir. We have to balance it to 0, sir. A.
Okay. So you are saying that
So
since
yeah, yes sir. It should be 0 sir, but in support B it should be transferred from A moment.
okay. So you are saying that since the support A is hinged, that
Yeah, yes
this will
sir.
be transferred.
Transfer. Yes sir.
Okay. So if you transfer, then how it will be 9? How it will be 9?
That
Got a
moment is
MF.
carried over.
Huh?
Sir, MFAB we got 6 no sir, but we have, we, we, we have to balance means it should be 0 sir in support. For
Okay, you are
getting
saying
0 we have to add plus 0.
MFAB.
Yeah sir.
We
To
have to
get
make it
0,
as 0.
0.
Okay.
We have to
Uh,
add plus 6. Plus 6
so plus 6
by 2 by 2 that moment should be transferred to the B support.
so so final MFBA will be this plus 6 plus
It's a
uh,
plus 6 plus 3.
plus so it will be plus or minus, so it will be minus of minus, right? So it will be 6 minus of minus 6 by 2, right? So you are saying 6 plus 3, that is 9 ton meter. Is it correct?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. So this one here is plus 2 into how much is m bar AB? 2 into m bar AB is
0.
0, then
Teaching.
plus m bar BA equals to minus 0 point minus
Minus 0.7906.
0.06. Okay, so please tell me how much is this value, MAB? How much is MAB? Please calculate and tell.
MAB is 0.791.
Minus 0.791. MFAB is positive.
Yeah. So MFAB we got 0 no sir. We have balanced there.
Okay, sorry. 0. So it is minus 0.7906. So MBA equals to MFBA plus twice of M bar BA plus M bar AB. So MFBA equals to 9 plus twice of M bar BA. M bar BA equals to minus 0.7906, then plus M bar AB equals to 0. So how much is M bar MBA? MBA equals to
7.418.
7.78 ton meter. So M bar, the next one is
7.4, sir.
7.4. Okay. 7.4 ton meter. So M bar BC equals to MF BC plus twice of let's see, twice of m bar BC plus m bar CD. So how much is MFBC? MFBC is
minus 7 point
minus 7
four, sir.
No, M bar BC is also minus 7.4.
M bar, okay, M bar is now 2 in minus 0.7906.
The final answer you are saying minus 0. That
I'm
one.
saying final answer is minus 7.42, sir.
Minus, okay. Minus 7.42. So, okay, yeah, so this is not bar also. MCD. Will you please calculate MCD and tell me the value? Only 4 minutes is there. Please tell me the value. 7.58 MDC equals to
MCB equal to 7.53, sir.
okay, this is 7.53. MDC equals to
MCD equal to minus 7.53. MDC equal to 25.62.
25.62. Then DE equals to
Minus 25.62.
this 25.62. Next MED equals to
19.19.
19.19. Okay. So please check whether MDE. No, we didn't calculated MCB, right? MCB equals to
MCB equal to 7.53.
7.53. Okay. So now the last step is, so can you do the bending moment diagram? Can you find out on your own? I hope
Okay.
now you can find the bending moment because it is only just 2 minutes left. I need to take the attendance also. Okay. So I'll stop the recording here. Lot of work.